guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is an arm day. Just like what I said in my previous video, ever since I started working out and even now that I lost weight, one of my main goals is to slim down my arms, and I've been called Lao or saggy because of that flabby arms. In this video, I'll be showing you the arm workouts that I do. I'll be dividing it into two parts. That's 9 workouts each. Each workout will be 16 counts. That's going to be the traditional 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just like how we are taught in PE back in the days. And this one, you can do this while sitting down or standing up or whatever you are doing, as long as you are comfortable and you can freely move your arms. This one requires no equipment, but for added resistance, as usual, you can use your dumbbells, kettlebells, weight belts, and resistance band. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll be including that in the description box below. So this will be arm workout part 2. Tara, workout tayo.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
it, please watch Arm Workout Part 1. I'll include the link in the description box. So if you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. So till the next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.